Let's now come to the real meat of this presentation, wherein we will discuss how AX 2012 has been enhanced specifically for the process industry. And I now request my colleague Dan to take over from here. Dan.
Good morning, everyone, and thanks for attending this webinar. Let's first discuss the core functionalities for the process industry. These include the need for critical capabilities that exceed demands of retailers and consumers. An increased visibility and data accuracy for business decision makers is imperative. Process manufacturers need to adjust pricing, product in case of a recall, or adjust production scheduling to meet changing consumer needs. They also need to address recipe management and packaging. First in, first out, first expired, first out, shelf life support, recipe-based scheduling, regulatory compliance, lot management, quality management, actual costing, catch weight, and more, in addition to easy-use financial dimensions. There are some grave challenges faced by the process industry. Implementation of the new U.S. Food Safety Modernization Act is an important challenge. With potency pricing, a manufacturer sets purchase pricing and inventory value based on the received material's active concentration or some other quality-controlled values. Lot genealogy is the ability to automatically transfer properties of a raw material lot to a manufactured items lot. Product sequencing considers demand for a product having a certain characteristic that can prove problematic if produced out of sequence. Lack of complete visibility throughout the supply chain, which is difficult, is very essential in the process industry. Slow product development cycles, poor responsiveness to consumer trends, inefficient management of the supply chain, and inappropriate tracking and tracing are additional challenges. Even though the add-on for process industries was a big leap as an ERP solution for the industry, there were many challenges faced by the existing users, which included lack of integration with manufacturing execution systems, warehouse management systems too, sales and purchase agreements, and delivery schedules based on customer specification and requirement. Process industries for AX 2009 also did not offer support catch weight throughout multiple areas of AX 2009. Furthermore, it did not feature calculation of the efficiency factor, calculations for product costing, and commodity pricing. What do you think makes AX 2012 a perfect ERP solution for the process industry? Let me give you a brief about the features tailored for the process industry, which would help you understand the efficacy of the solution. The greatest benefit of AX 2012 for the process industry is that the core functionality is now inbuilt in AX 2012 and is not required to be purchased as a separate module, either for process manufacturing or for process distribution. This also helps companies that have both forms of manufacturing, discrete and process. AX 2012 is adroitly designed to help manufacturers increase the speed and flexibility of their production operations and provide integrated functionality for planning and managing production and distribution. It is perfect for handling procurement and accounting and complying with regulatory requirements specific to the process industry. Some of the key industry-specific capabilities of process industries for AX include seamless co-product and byproduct planning and management, formula management, lot traceability and product serialization, adherence to materials regulatory compliance, process costing, first expired, first out, and shelf life inventory management, product containerization, and multiple inventory dimensions. Core areas include inventory management, process distribution, and process manufacturing. Over the next few slides, we will walk you through descriptions about many of the features that are available in the upgrade of process industries for Dynamics AX 2009 to Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 process manufacturing, production, and logistics. These are primarily in the areas of product information management, inventory and warehouse management, procurement and sourcing, sales and marketing, production control, and reporting. So let's take a look at product information management. Products and product variants previously called items and item dimensions now originate at the enterprise level and are then released to the company level. Specific functions are included in the new released products list page and released product details form for process manufacturing. Apply product template. A product definition no longer needs to be created for each product to be released to a company. You can now release multiple products, including product variants, to multiple companies. Containerized packaging has been enhanced in process manufacturing. This feature allows batch orders for a packed product to be consolidated with similar packed products in parent bulk product. Commodity pricing functionality is enhanced to allow pricing information to be coordinated more closely with trade agreements. Several enhancements have been made for co-products and byproducts in the new release. These include improved price calculations, viewing co-products for planned orders, total cost allocation methodology, and cost allocation and burden. As you can see in this screenshot, item master and item dimensions in AX 2009 are now products and product masters in AX 2012. Screenshot 1 shows how products are segregated in different categories for better navigation. They are divided into distinct products, product masters, and all products. Further, there are released and open product releases. The second screenshot indicates the next level of hierarchy within all products. You can create a new product listing, allocate product number, product type, a search name, subtype, product dimension group, etc. Product variants and dimensions can also be specified within product masters. When we're looking at release products, you'll see here the first screenshot is the release product screen, where you can see the attributes of a particular release product. The second one is the dialog box that pops out when you create a product. Information regarding product type, subtype, identification details such as item, model group, product name, etc. needs to be provided here. The reference groups section is for providing a reference about the attributes and dimensions of the specific product you are creating. Specify units of measures and purchase taxation details to create the product. For inventory and warehouse management, there are two major changes in product dimension split, including product, storage and tracking dimensions, and the second change is in terms of assigning dimension groups to individual products. Multiple formula versions can be approved and active for a product where the dates have no overlap or where the quantity values prevent an overlap from a quantity-based perspective. Additionally, speaking of enhancements made to shelf life functionality, you can now view shelf life fields for the selected batch in the on-hand form. Using the new product template functionality, you can set up a shelf life product template for the appropriate shelf life days to be applied to existing items. One of the best enhancements and major changes to the solution includes the complete integration of process manufacturing with warehouse management system 2. The benefits from this integration provide support for customers who require advanced warehouse management processes, such as delivery based on shelf life, same batch reservation, and customer or batch attributes. The product dimension groups refer to the attributes of products or raw materials and product masters, such as finished products. One can also specify if you want a dimension to be active during a purchase or sales. The storage dimensions are shown in the second screenshot, which mentions storage-related attributes of the product. The dimensions for tracking include the batch numbers and/or serial numbers of different stages, like physical inventory, primary stocking, financial inventory, etc. The inventory blocking feature allows authorized users to block an inventory item and its attributes during certain stages of production or always. This feature is used for keeping a reserve of the products so that no transactions features